most unqualified I've ever been for a job that I actually did. This is a 100% true story. I was home for the summer during college and I put in an application to work at my local grocery store. It gave me a job working in the floral department. I was super excited. It's like, oh, flowers, it'll be beautiful, it'll be fun, it'll be awesome. It was none of those things. My very first day of work was the Saturday before Mother's Day, and they stuck me behind the wheel of their floral delivery van and sent me out to make deliveries. That's not the worst part. The worst part was, this was before people had GPS. This was before people really even had personal cell phones. They stuck me behind the wheel of this van, whole delivery truck full of flowers, and gave me an old parade map. And they, like, here, just use this old parade map where you can't even see the names of the streets. And this was not my hometown, y'all. I did not know the street names. I didn't know where I was going. I didn't know what I was doing. I ended up way out in the country, lost, tried to turn around on a gravel road, ended up getting one wheel stuck over the ditch. I had to walk to a farmhouse and call the floral office, and they had to send another employee out to get me. I was fired. This was my first day on the job. I was like, Krista, you're fired, Krista. That's it. They're never, amazingly, all they did was laugh. And they're like, okay, see you later. Keep going. I was like,